Teacher believes that the grades in her class will be considered approximately normal with an average score of 70 points. If her belief is correct, which of the following ranges of scores will have the highest proportion of students in it? Since the teacher believes that the scores will be normally distributed with an average value of 70, we can draw our bell-shaped and symmetric graph with 70 in the middle. The first option is that the students score between 55 and 65 points. The second option is that the students score between 65 and 75 points. And the third option is the students score between 75 points and 85 points. Notice that for all three of these ranges, they are exactly 10 units apart, so they are an equal width to each other. However, they do not have an equal height, so if we're trying to find the area of these pieces, if the lengths are the same but the heights are not, the one with the highest height should have the most area, or the most probability. From 55 to 65, we get an area that is equivalent to that red space. From 75 to 85, we're going to get the exact same area as we got from the red space in the blue space because it's the same width and this graph is bell-shaped and symmetric. However, if we look at the graph where we've got 65 to 75, this part of the graph is taller than both the red and the blue spaces. So since it's the same width but it's taller, it should have a greater area. So the answer to this one would be 65 to 75. In general, the piece of the graph that is in the center, that's the widest, will have the highest probability.